Welcome back to my channel again. So, Port Harcourt YouTubers, hey, don't allow us rest, please. Abuja YouTubers, when we go start our own quarrel now, you know. Anyway, me I cannot quarrel. So now the issue I don't even know where to start from. So Port Harcourt YouTubers, they want to do masterclass. According to the gist, although I'm following some of these people because they're actually like people I love on a normal. So Diana Ekweme want to do a masterclass. She announced her masterclass first, but me I'm not attending because I don't know if those things work for you people because it doesn't work at all. What I know is that just be consistent with your video and voila, you go blow. So Diana announced her masterclass first. Then the next thing, I know I saw Nelo's own, but I didn't see Diana's own. Just when the quarrel started, now, as I'm a brother that I am, I went and I did the research. So Diana announced her masterclass first. Then the next thing, Nelo just brought her own 14K or 15K. She and Adeze Space, they are doing a collaboration. And the whole Port Harcourt want to catch fire. As in, if they are doing masterclass, that is their business. They do masterclass for business, they do masterclass for movies, they do masterclass for almost all phases of life, and they want to do their masterclass. And people are like, Nelo that's not up to 40 subscribers. She wants to do masterclass. What does she want to teach people? Adeze Space that's not up to 30 subscribers. She wants to teach. As in, and Diana Ekweme is bigger than them. That there is a beef. That Nelo is beefing Diana Ekweme because Diana Ekweme announced her masterclass first. Then the next day, Nelo announced her own. At least there is a competition and all that. What I want to say in all of this is, Diana have her own fans, which are the Dynamite, which are, Nelo have her own fans. So if they are paying for the masterclass, how is it you people's problem? How is this your problem? For goodness sake, some people can take 3 years to have just 10 subscribers, and somebody is having 40 subscribers in less than 10 years. If she wants to teach you how she managed to do that in 3 days, my dear, allow her to do it. Don't come and be bad-mouthing them. They are doing this. They are not supposed to be doing a masterclass because they are too young. They have small subscribers, and it's not just masterclass. After the masterclass, they're supposed to give a shout out so that people can follow you. If they give you shout out, if people don't want to follow you, they don't follow you. That is just the cocoa. If they give you shout out, and me, I don't want to follow you, I don't go follow you. But people of the opinion that it's not enough to just do masterclass. After the masterclass, you should at least give them a shout out on your page so that people can follow them. This YouTube thing, people go still begin fight for road because of YouTube. For goodness sake, just be consistent, give us clear video, just do what you're supposed to do, and we'll be good, we'll be fine. Don't come and kill yourself. But Diana masterclass, Nelo masterclass, people are doing masterclass. And we have big YouTubers in Lagos, but you never hear all this noise. But Port Harcourt, hey, Port Harcourt today, Port Harcourt tomorrow, Port Harcourt next tomorrow, Port Harcourt, Port Harcourt, Port Harcourt, Port Harcourt, oh, Port Harcourt masterclass. Anyway, Sha, that is all I have to say on this episode of my YouTube channel. If you want to go for the masterclass, please go, don't criticize. What you don't want, don't criticize. There's something they call press the mute button. If you don't want, waka pass. There's no need for you to come and start shouting. Why are they doing masterclass? They are collecting 14K, they are collecting 15K. It's too much. Is it your money? Is it your money? It's not your money. Allow them to be. Allow them to be. Nelo, do your thing. Diana, do your thing. Patayaba, do your thing. All some people are just coming to shout left, right, and center. Please, you're even giving them more popularity because with that, people go and let me go and check. And they are using people to catch cruise. Hey, they're using us to catch cruise on this YouTube street. Anyway, Sha, I don't even know where I will talk again, but you know how they do this thing. Now, as the spirit they flow, now so we go. Now so we go. Do well to follow me on all my social media platforms. My name is Pat Eyaba. If you like what you just see, I'll be here. Or join together. Yeah. If you like what you just saw, please click the notification button. Give us a thumbs up. Me, I do shout out though. Hey, I know they're stingy with shout out though. I'm gonna do shout out. If you want us to do a collaboration, let me know. Bye bye and take care of yourself.